Hello everyone, and welcome back to my crafting world. This is Anna. I was very thrilled and excited to be invited back for another review of Crespire wax seals. So I picked out a few more products. I picked out 4 more products, and I wanted to show you what I had picked up. So I chose some really pretty wax beads. These are green and they're star shaped. It's such a pretty color. That is such a beautiful color. Can't wait to use that. So this was in a package. This is one set right here. So you would get the wax beads. You would get 4 candles, 4 of the tea light candles, and then 2 of the melting spoons. So this is one set right here. Super duper excited. And then I picked up some, I picked up a wax seal head. And this, of course, fits onto the handle that I already have from the previous order. And this one says, happy birthday. It goes this way. So this one says, happy birthday. I'm excited to use this one. And, of course, it screws on to the handle that I have from the other ones because, of course, it is the same size. So I did get the happy birthday. And then I got 2 of the small brass stamps. So I decided to get a couple of them. You know, these of course don't have a handle, but they're pretty heavy. I can't believe how heavy they are. And this one has a set of 3 butterflies. So I'm really excited to use these. I have a project in mind, and I can't wait to try it out. And this brass stamp is a flower. So I believe it's a hibiscus. So yeah, I got 2 of the brass stamps, and then I got 1 of the seal stamp head, and then I got some more wax beads. So guys, I cannot wait to show you what I am going to do with these. I'm super duper excited, especially for the little ones. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Hopefully it'll be really soon so I can show you what I'm going to do with the small ones. All right guys, we'll talk to you later. Have a great day. Thanks a lot guys.